Okay, so this is a video for fans, HVAC and more. Don't mind the basement, I know it's dirty right now. This right here is our Evcon. This is a 2020 Evcon furnace. It's basically a rebranded Coleman furnace. It's a low NOx gas furnace. It's 65,000 BTUs, and a low NOx gas furnace is basically a furnace that produces less pollution, basically. So Evcon is an 80%er. 80%er right there. And our water heater, I will get a video of this water heater soon. But this is a 2020 Watchenvar. That's how you pronounce it. Water heater. As you can see, there goes the ducting and stuff out to the chimney. This was installed on February 13th, 2020. It's a 2020 water heater. And same thing with this furnace. It was installed on February 13th, 2020. I will get a video on this very soon. I do not like being near this thing. You know, water heaters, I don't like them. They scare me. I don't like water heaters at all, but I will get a video on it very soon. Now, the furnace, I'm going to go ahead and start this up for you. I know it's summer right now, and it's 85 degrees outside, but hey, who cares? I'm doing what my subscribers asked. So, I'm going to go ahead and take off this right here. Okay. As you can see, it's a very good furnace. It heats our house very well. You will see some red glowing inside of it. That's just NOx screens. That's normal. So that's not a cause for concern. It's normal. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on now. It starts up very quickly too, and the burners are very loud. Okay, here we go. There goes the inducer motor. The burners will kick on very soon. There goes the igniter. Gas valve. Ignition. As you can hear, the burners are on right now. I'm talking loud because I don't know if you guys can hear me or not. And the fan will kick on very soon. There goes the fan. And we have heat. I don't know if you guys can see the burners very well. I'm sorry if you can't. But here goes the gas line right here. Here goes the 120 volt wiring. It's a very nice install. Here goes our ductwork right here. Brand new ductwork. Here goes the vent right here. It's already hot. Wow, that's extremely hot heat. Oh my gosh. I love this furnace. It heats our house amazingly. So this is the ductwork right here, in case you wanted to see it. This is actually the duct to, no, where's the duct to my room? Fuck, where is it? No, that's not, is it? No, this is the bathroom right here. This is my room. No, that's not, it can't be it. No, that can't be my room. No, that's not my room. Okay, no, okay, so this right here is my room, and this is the bathroom duct. And this right here goes to my little sister's room. This right here is a return vent. Now I'm gonna get a shutdown for you guys too, so I'm just gonna prop my camera up. Hopefully you guys can see it. Hold on, let me do that. Okay, perfect. Okay, so I just turned it off at the thermostat. As you can hear, the burners turned off. And now the heat exchanger is cooling down. and the fan will turn off very soon. Hey. Okay, so fan just cut off. So hope you guys enjoyed the video.